Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, the choice of notification sound can reflect your mood, style, or personality. So, changing the notification sound to a tone that matches your preferences or current mood can add a personal touch to your device and create a more enjoyable notification experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin the customization process, access the Settings menu on your device. Within the settings, navigate to the Sounds and Vibration section, where you can adjust various audio and notification settings. Next, select Notification Sound from the option available to access a range of tones and sounds that can be used for notifications on your device. Okay, and here, explore the different notification tones provided and choose the one that best suits your preferences and style. Okay, and by selecting a notification sound that resonates with you, you can personalize your device alert notifications and enhance the overall user experience. Once you have chosen your favorite notification sound, save that selection to apply it to your device notification settings. This customization allows you to tailor the auditory experience of your device to match your unique preferences and tastes. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.